Fewer homes for sale, fewer homes sold, and it's not just a seasonal thing. I'm David Stark, and welcome to the East Bay Real Estate Weather Report. While real estate activity typically slows down during the fall, homes for sale and homes sold during November were down significantly from both earlier this year and compared with the same period last year. You can see these changes starting with the 880 corridor. Homes for sale dropped between 17 to 80%. Alameda, only 5 homes for sale. Hayward, 63 for sale. That's down more than 50%. Newark, down 60%. Oakland, only 212 for sale, down 30%. San Leandro, only 21. Homes sold, just like inventory, big drops. Albany, only 4 sold. Fremont, 64. Oakland, 196. That's almost a 20% drop. San Leandro, down more than 20%. San Lorenzo, down more than 30%. No surprise, with fewer homes in the market, prices were mostly up. Alameda and Albany both saw double-digit increases, but Berkeley, Castro Valley, and Fremont, a different story with prices flat or down. Newark up 12%. Oakland and San Leandro both up. San Lorenzo up 17%. Next door in West Contra Costa County, similar conditions. Homes for sale down everywhere. El Sobrante with 11 for sale, down more than 50%. Richmond only 61 for sale, that's a 45% drop. Homes sold way down as well. El Sobrante only 6 sold, down 50%. Hercules, Pinole, and Richmond all down more than 40%. Sales prices in West Contra Costa were mixed. El Cerrito down 6%, while El Sobrante up 27%. Everywhere else either flat or slight changes. More of the same as we check in with Central Contra Costa County. Homes for sale, significantly less inventory, 30 to more than 50% down. Martinez with 29 for sale, Pleasant Hill only 15, and Walnut Creek only 33 for sale. While not as dramatic as the loss of inventory, sales down or flat everywhere. Clayton 6, Concord unchanged, Martinez, Pleasant Hill, and Walnut Creek all in the 30 homes sold range. Fewer homes for sale didn't drive sales prices. Prices basically flat everywhere. Clayton down 1%, Concord up 2%, Martinez down 2%. Pleasant Hill basically no change. Walnut Creek prices did rise 4%. Real estate trends in the 3 LAMORINDA communities often are very different from the rest of the East Bay. Homes for sale, great example. Lafayette and Moraga both had a slight increase, Orinda down by 1 unit. Homes sold, in this case, similar to the rest of the East Bay. Lafayette drops to almost 50%, Moraga and Orinda both down as well. Sales prices mixed. Lafayette up 17% to 1.579. Moraga gained 6%, while Orinda dropped 9%. The drop in supply and sales extended to the Tri-Valley. Homes for sale down 3 to more than 50%. Danville only 81 on the market. Dublin goes from 54 to 24. Livermore down to 58 for sale. Homes sold also down. Danville with 36. Livermore just 66. Pleasanton 49 and San Ramon 36. Sales prices mixed given fewer homes for sale. Danville up 18% at 1.43. Dublin almost unchanged. Livermore and San Ramon gained 3%, but Pleasanton down 3%. Buyers backed down as prices rose in the Delta. Homes for sale down everywhere. Antioch with just 93 in the market. Brentwood drops 11%. Pittsburgh just 54. Homes sold a bit mixed. Antioch up to 95. Sales in Brentwood and Pittsburgh both down. Sales prices up everywhere by double digits. Antioch at 42, Brentwood 590, Pittsburgh 473. 2019 has been all about more balance in the market between buyers and sellers. Fewer homes for sale and fewer sales means buyers and sellers are taking their time. We'll see you next month.